Here's a small deal of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. The white that you can see is a reflection of the lights. Black on his permanent marker, I think somebody's marked it out a little bit. See if they're... looks like they might have cut a stone off. Oh, that's broken, not sawn. This has been polished. Not sure why it's been rejected. But if you want to make it not so much of a concave, you could cut it through here. End up with a nice stone there on that side. Just a little window of colour there. This piece has got a lot of greens through it there. And the permanent marker, not a lot in that piece anyway. Reds and blues in this piece. Showing up there a bit, I think. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.